Everyone in the world who owns or operates a vehicle with an internal combustion engine, any type of vehicle, is interested in three things. Is the vehicle running to its maximum efficiency? Because if it is, it's saving time and money. Is it the right vehicle for the job? Because every job and every vehicle is different. And is it environmentally friendly? The less pollution it produces, the better for everyone. Because these questions are especially important for vehicle manufacturers, for research people, for managers, for fleet operators, and for individuals, there's a method of accurately analysing all the factors that will give the results needed to make sound financial decisions. Invented, tested and proved in Australia, the method, now known as the Vehicle and Engine Performance Monitoring and Analysis System, or VEPMAS, has been developed by the University of South Australia's Energy and Engines Research Group, a completely independent research authority, testing and proving the VEPMAS concept with the support of Australian transport authorities, gas utilities, and organisations that fund research. As you're aware, most tests are done in laboratories under ideal conditions. What's different and more practical about VEPMAS measurements is that measurements are made as the vehicle is actually in use, in this case a bus. The VEPMAS sensors and computer are fitted. Then, while the vehicle is in use, they continually record a number of significant engine and vehicle parameters. This is on-road data in real time. So the results are not necessarily what the specifications say. They're not necessarily the results from laboratory testing. They're results obtained during the actual operation of the vehicle. VEPMAS can check the performance of any vehicle, producing the data which will help to reduce operating costs and to reduce pollution. The first tests were carried out in Adelaide, with buses fuelled by compressed natural gas. Data collected over several months were transferred to the group's main computer at Adelaide's high-tech area known as the Levels, where they were completely analysed. Following the successful completion of the Adelaide trials, the group was commissioned by Sydney Buses to test their vehicles in real situations against manufacturers' specifications. Despite different climatic conditions, different terrain and different driving conditions, the VEPMAS method proved to be completely accurate. From the results, the Sydney Buses management proceeded with the purchase of their large fleet of CNG-powered buses. The Sydney results were so convincing that the European manufacturer invited the group's director, Sam de Maria, to their head office to discuss and implement the findings. Constantly improving the concept, the group is working in a wide range of cities on vehicles operating over a wide range of conditions, in light traffic and heavy traffic, along level streets and on steep hills. Over years, with constant testing and taking advantage of increasing computer technology, we've perfected the capabilities of the system to a high level of accuracy. Indeed, now, with our experience, to install and commission the VEPMAS system in a bus, what once took weeks now takes just one day. Today, each bus is fitted with a global positioning satellite system, a GPS system, linking the vehicle with our base at the Levels. So, while data is being stored, our engineers can watch what happens as the vehicle moves and stops, and instantly sees the engine's performance with every gear change. The tests are taken in real life, in real time, and are compiled by accurately measuring the engine speed, the manifold pressure, the exhaust temperature, the oxygen content of the exhaust, and the distance travelled. From these, we can predict with remarkable accuracy at the exhausts carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, unburned hydrocarbons, and excess oxygen. And under these conditions, predicting many performance parameters such as power, torque, fuel consumption, and efficiency. To generate the necessary VEPMAS data, the engine is tested at about 60 reference points over 18 hours of continuous running. VEPMAS is a positive start to making any vehicles more cost-effective and to make them more environmentally friendly. The Energy and Engines Research Group have more than 20 years' expertise, both in Australia and overseas, in knowing exactly which data are required, how to get the data, how to analyse it, how to present it, all of these quickly and efficiently. We can do the job for you ourselves, we can work with your people, or even train your people in the VEPMAS concept. So whatever vehicles you have, from a small car to a bus, from a railway train to a huge mining truck, we've proved we can make them more efficient. The group, using VEPMAS, can deliver the data you need, on time and to budget. So, if you're responsible for any vehicles and you need to make an informed decision about vehicle type or fuel selection, operational efficiency, environmental impact and saving money, please contact Sam de Maria.